Hello, my learners. Welcome to Anuja's Brainwaves. Today, we will explore the idiom on the whole. Definition of on the whole. The idiom on the whole is an idiom used to express a general or overall view of something, especially when some individual parts may differ. Repeat on the whole 12 times with me. On the whole. 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 Example sentences using on the whole. 1. On the whole, the project was successful despite a few challenges. 2. The students, on the whole, performed well in the final exams. 3. On the whole, I'm happy with the way things turned out. 4. There were some minor issues, but on the whole, the event was a success. 5. On the whole, people seemed to enjoy the presentation. 6. The food was okay, and on the whole, the service was decent. 7. On the whole, the new policy has been well received by employees. 8. On the whole, she's a responsible and hard-working team member. 9. I've had some ups and downs, but on the whole, it's been a good year. 10. On the whole, this book is informative and well-written. Synonyms for on the whole. Overall, generally, by and large, all in all, in general, for the most part, broadly speaking, taken as a whole. Antonyms for on the whole. In detail, specifically, in particular, partially, not generally, to some extent. That wraps up today's lesson on the word on the whole. We hope you've gained a better understanding of its meaning, uses, synonyms, and antonyms, as well as improved your pronunciation. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Anuja's Brainwaves for more vocabulary lessons, grammar tips, and pronunciation guides. Please like, share, and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future topics. Your engagement helps us reach more learners like you. If you'd like to support our work and help us create more content, you can make a donation by scanning the QR code on your screen. Every bit of support helps us continue our mission of providing free, high-quality English learning resources to everyone. Thanks for being part of our learning community.